So, you want to learn how to sound like a four-armed Italian demon. Sure, I can teach you that. Step 1. Get trapped inside a cursed cartridge. Huh? What is it? You don't have one. Well, I'll just teach you how to sound like one, I guess. Step 1. You'd want to make sure to tune your voice to sound more Italian. Use a phrase that gets you in it, like a Mamma Mia or Let's go. Done? Great. Now for step 2. Start to steadily lower your voice so you sound more like a sad Italian in his mid-40s. What is now? Alright, fine. You can use any program to lower your voice, is what I'm gonna use because my throat hurts. Now, remember, our little mid-40s four-armed Italian guy demon's thingy-maggy is mad. Very mad. So remember to stay in character. Step 3. Add your filter or voice changer and be amazed at how you can make him say anything you desire, like